the most important thing for getting results is just sticking with it, man. Literally just like staying in it and not quitting, looking at it as a long-term transformation, right? Not something that's going to happen by next month. I say every client, I don't care if you're trying to lose 100 pounds or 5 pounds, in your mind, you should be thinking of it as a year transformation. You're giving yourself that much time to get it right, because it's not just about losing that weight. You're essentially becoming a different person. You know what I mean? You're evolving to somebody else. So it takes time to make that transition to a person that has these habits, that can stick with it, and it becomes just how you are. It becomes your natural way of being. You know what I mean? So trying to overcome the things that we're used to, trying to view food differently and view working out differently, and just have a good relationship with those things and behave properly, and knowing how to make good decisions. And when we don't make good decisions, how to handle them and get back on track without like feeling bad or, feeling like quitting. That stuff takes a long time to get in place. Some people can get it right away, but for most of us humans, you know what I mean? It takes time to deal with that stuff. So usually the mental part is the longest part. So that's why I say just view it as a year transformation. Give yourself that much time to like really dial in what you need to get done and build those solid habits up and those foundations. And that's what turns all this stuff into a lifestyle. When you know how to handle every single situation, you have a strategy for everything that comes into play. The clients that do it, they get amazing results, and we want to be able to help you get through the whole thing, to have that before. We got the BBP Hall of Fame is what we call it. So we want your before and after up in there. For sure. Cool, man.